I never realized that we completed 7 years of USSH. Because we are very busy in managing our hospital, improving the hospital, buying some new things every year, and being happy. We had started in Bombay first robotic surgery in body replacement. I think all our staff also is happy working with us, and that is a real credit for us. This our 8-story building, we are expanding to 9th and maybe 10th story to increase the capacity of our hospital, because the bed strength is becoming less for our patients.
So today, as we are completing 7 years, I'll take this as an opportunity to thank each and everyone who has shown faith in us and have been supportive of us. It really makes us feel filled with joy and gratitude. The way our hospital has grown and in popularity, in the faith the patients show in the hospital and its treatment, it really makes us feel very happy and proud. Also, I would say we'd like to thank all the doctors associated with our hospital, all the staff who has been really great in helping us to give that treatment to our patients. And I wish that you people continue your support to us. Hopefully by next year we would be even a little bigger and add some more services to our hospital. And once again, we both would like to express our gratitude and say a big thank you to all of the people who have been a great support.
उपासनी स्पेशालिटी हॉस्पिटल एक इम्पॉर्टंट महत्त्वाचे हॉस्पिटल मुलुंडमध्ये गेली लास्ट 7 इयर्स कार्यरत आहेत. डायग्नोसिस करणं, ट्रीटमेंट करणं हे उपासनी हॉस्पिटलमध्ये गेली 7 वर्ष कंटिन्युअस चालू आहे. करोनामध्ये देखील या हॉस्पिटलने भरपूर सेवा केली. हॉस्पिटलचे मी अभिनंदन करतो आणि येणाऱ्या फ्युचरसाठी त्यांचे व्यवस्थित चालू राहावे, आणखीन त्यांनी प्रगती करावी अशी आशा करतो. त्याचबरोबर येणाऱ्या डॉक्टर्स डेला डॉक्टरांच्या शुभेच्छा देऊन थांबतो.
Hello all, I am Dr. Kaustubh Durve. I am a practicing diabetologist at Upasani Super Speciality Hospital. On this National Doctors Day, I congratulate all my fellow colleagues and all the healthcare professionals for providing excellent healthcare all around. Also, we have completed 7 glorious years here at Upasani Super Speciality Hospital. So I congratulate Team USSH for the same, and I hope that we continue our good work for many more years to come. Thank you.
Happy National Doctors Day to all the dedicated healthcare professionals. Congratulations to Upasani Hospital for reaching 7th anniversary. Your continued commitment to excellent healthcare services is truly commendable. Here is many more years of success and community services. We all wish you all the best.